With sleek efficiency and durable operation, the Bruno Elan straight rail stairlift is now the global benchmark for style, performance, and affordability. 2 decades of Bruno research have produced a simple yet elegant solution for traversing from one floor to another in complete comfort. And a rated weight capacity of 300 pounds or 136 kilograms translates into versatile use and consistent dependability. The Elan is the quintessential value stairlift for today and tomorrow. Its rack and pinion drive delivers a ride which is smooth and quiet, while a graceful vertical rail hides all mechanical components. Installed to within a mere 5 inches of the wall, the Elan is a compact marvel, especially when the seat, armrests, and footrest are folded for a tight park position. Family and guests are never hindered from using the stairway. Comfort and safety work in perfect unison in the Elan. A wide and pleasingly padded seat swivels at the top of the stairs for confident usage. While its dual braking system makes it one of the safest stairlifts in the world. The electromagnetic braking system is complemented by a self-locking gearbox and an overspeed brake for complete safety. And Elan's drive system provides a smooth ride with no hesitation when stopping and starting. In addition, safety sensors on the footplate and carriage stop the unit whenever an obstruction is encountered. Consistent power is never a concern with the Elan. Using 2 12-volt batteries that are powered by a small battery charger plugged into any household outlet, a continuous charge along the rail is provided through a contact strip. Access to upstairs and downstairs is never an issue, even when a storm or other occurrence temporarily interrupts service. Along with all the other standard features mentioned, the Bruno Elan also includes 2 wireless call-send controls, which make installation simple and clean, with no wires running along the wall. Meeting additional standards from around the world, the Bruno Elan straight rail stairlift rewards its owners with superior performance and stylish design. The undisputed choice in the value marketplace. Look to Bruno for the finest home accessibility solutions.